Welcome, my name's Cody Romero. Today we'll be rebuilding a Ruelco SS-2, commonly known as a pilot. If your pilot's located in your panel, first you'll have to remove it. We'll back off the lock ring and take off the adjustment cap. Notice the spring and other components inside. Set them aside, including the piston. Next we'll take the piston body off, using adjustable wrenches for backup. We'll loosen it and then completely remove it. The shaft inside can be pulled out, noting the O-rings to replace later, and set the body aside. To get the piston out of the lower body, push it through with a screwdriver. Depending upon your pressure rating, there may be various O-rings in various places. Using a pick, we'll take the O-ring off the piston. We'll put the fresh O-ring back on from the Ruelco repair kit. Following the manual to figure out which O-ring you need for your sensor range. On the spool, we can take off the O-rings using an O-ring pick, removing them one at a time till all are off and putting them back on in reverse order. Once all reinstalled, we can put some O-ring grease on all the O-rings. Reinstall the piston back into the lower body, ensuring correct orientation. Reinstall the spool back into the main body and the piston base into the main body. The orientation of the spring plate doesn't matter. Reinstall the spring along with the spare O-rings back into the body and reinstall the pilot cap. Once installed back in the panel, you can adjust the pilot cap to adjust the sensing pressure. That concludes the rebuilding of a Ruelco pilot.